As you may have read in our article, our newsletter for November, Paul and I are going away on holiday to South Africa for 3 weeks for a lot of November. So I've been really busy preparing everything ready for our holiday and our time away. But what I really want to do is to tell you that you are left in safe hands, that our staff here are excellent. They are all extremely thorough, well trained, capable, and do a fabulous job of taking your calls, fulfilling orders. So do continue to call the office, renew your daily word subscriptions, and order your Advent calendars and your Unity wall calendar for 2026. We love to serve you and we are here for you. And also, I want to say our prayer volunteers are brilliant at what they do, supporting everyone who calls the prayer line. So do continue to call the prayer line, reach out to us. We are here for you. And our volunteers feel blessed, as I do, when we take the prayer calls and pray with you. So while we are away, Paul and I know that everything here is easy and smooth and successful in all that is done here, that each of you are supported in your own way through the work that we do in Unity. We truly are honoured to serve you. And Paul and I look forward to being back with you at the end of November, ready for our Advent service that kicks off the Christmas season on the 30th of November, and then our candle lighting service in December, which you are very welcome to come and join here at our offices in person. So, Paul and I wish you a fabulous month, a time of moving into winter, but also preparing for Christmas and all the joys that this brings. Bless you, and I look forward to being with you again soon.